Hello, hello. Oh, wait. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Unable to register virtual audio device. Hello, 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 chat. Hello. Hello, chat. Hello, hello. Video. Just I again restarted the stream because in between don't know what happened. What happened to the audio settings, and the audio got turned off automatically. And you can see even my webcam is being like this because NVIDIA settings have been turned off. Like I think the NVIDIA app has been crashed. Some things will, I think we have to fix that also. Just for today, I will just have make a shift, makeshift for today's stream. Stream started. Wait. Hello man, welcome to the stream. I just restarted the stream today. Don't know what happened when I started it before. Like in between, there was an audio error, and because of that, the things got turned off. And I was stuck in fixing the audio problem. Like it took around, I think, yeah, it took around one hour to fix that. Mm, The things haven't been fixed no, for now. Like you can see, the webcam is like this because NVIDIA settings have been turned off. Okay, I will fix it after the stream. Um, like if I show you feed, like when we open YouTube in the when you open YouTube, you can see at this point after this point my audio got cut in between. Don't know why. Mm, Good evening, everyone. Today is my day 45 of my C++. Okay, not C++. Today is day 45 of my DSA journey. In today's stream, what we will do, I will. Okay. Okay, leave that. We don't have. We should not focus on this. We should focus. The audio is fixed now. So I will start with the first problem today. Okay, first I will start with the introduction. So hello everyone. Today is my day 45 of my C++ DSA journey. Not C++. Today is day 45 of my DSA journey. Okay, because we are not following any single language, right? So, and why I'm getting stuck in between because I was busy in like fixing the issue, the audio issue. I think it's common in Lenovo laptops. So let's start. And yeah, today I was going to start something else also beside this DSA stream, compression. Okay, this will be the problem that we will solve. Okay. Like I think at this time the stream should have come to an end, but now I'm starting it because of this. Don't know what issues came in between when I started it before. So we will solve this problem. Okay. And today it was also planned to start new series like the new project series. I have planned for it and using JavaScript and like it will be the whole front end project and soon, sorry, and gradually backend will be added in that. But let's see how the things will go. After this stream, I will try to fix the audio and this webcam problem, right? Most because I think at the right time the audio is not that good. Wait. Let me just try to fix it a little bit. Maybe it will work. Do I want to code with you? Can you do it? Sorry, bro. At the right time, I'm just very busy because today I started the stream 1 hour ago, but uh, I turned off that stream because of some audio issues. I have restarted the stream now, so I don't have left with that much time. Um, Sorry for that. Okay. Maybe this will fix the issue for this stream. Hello. Okay, I think it's not that much perfect, but we will have to use hello. Audio's coming. Yeah, I just fixed that. Like I gone into BIOS. I run open the command. Okay, so let's focus on the problem instead of focusing on other things. Those things will be fixed later. So the problem name is string compression. Okay, what we have to do in this problem is that we will be given a string like this. Okay, there will be like this is a array. You can assume this is a vector array that have been created. There are different characters present on different index of the array. Okay, so we have to give like suppose a have come for one time, then we will give a in the output string like this. Okay, but when a have appeared for the second time, we give it like a. After that, we give it a number. Okay, we give it a number and same with b when the number, sorry, the character have only appeared for only one time, then we just give it like put it into the string answer string and like it will look like this. Okay. And when b have occurred for the second time, we tell okay b has occurred 2 times in the array. When the character has changed, then the character which have occurred for the first time, then okay we will put that as a character. After that we will check the count of it, like how many times it appeared in total. So we will return the count of it like this. Okay, and sorry, maybe the today's stream will not go that in that much flow. Hello man, welcome to the stream. because of because of the audio issues, it was supposed to be started very early, man, but don't know what happened in between. Like you can see, I already started the stream 55 minutes ago, but just the things got a little bit. Um, Sorry, man. Sorry. It's okay. I even forget what we was supposed to do in this problem. Wait. Okay, there will be a for loop. We were supposed to travel the whole array 0 I is less than dot length I plus plus. Okay, this will be here, and there will be a count, and inside this there will be characters ch is equals to, okay, no, wait. Just the laptop got the settings of the laptop got, I can't utter the word from my mouth for this, but you can imagine what have happened before starting today's stream. Was not supposed to be like this. Like you guys are waiting for me to solve the problem, but just wait. We will be back again to solve the problem. And I also put the message in the Discord. Maybe the stream will not start, but after the audio have came back, so now I'm trying to. Okay. So this will be current index of nums I. Okay. This will not change, and count will be 0. We will have to take the count inside this, and there will be a I index will be that, and we will take another variable index started from 0 for updating the characters in the new array, right? Like in the existing array, just after that, there will be some functions that we will use to do the things that are required in this problem. Okay, this is done and this is done. Inside this for loop, okay, I'm just first writing the code. After that, I explain it like what is happening in the code, and then while this is true, then we will do count plus plus every time this is true, and I plus plus for checking for next time. If when we will out of this loop, when there will be the character will be changed, then if count is equals to 1, okay, we will do chars index plus plus equals to count. Okay, wait, not count. Yeah, will be character, right? Or in the else case, we are supposed to do, okay, this will happen, but this in the else case this will happen, and also yeah, there we will create a str so that we can convert values like integer values into characters, into individual characters. Okay, so string str is equals to count. Sorry, now we will use a function which converts integer values to string. Its name is toString. Okay, so toString. We will put the value of count here, and this is done. Now we will use a for loop to traverse the whole string like every character. So limit is digit and traverse the whole string, and character index plus plus is equals to digit. Okay, just wait. Plus, sorry, I minus minus, and that cat dot resize. Here we are resizing the using the resize function for the array because we are doing in place changes till the index. I will explain you the whole code just writing because already the time have been used. Okay. Oh, okay. Shit. Just let me check. Maybe today's stream will be a little bit boring. Um, Not that much boring, but it may feel like boring. Cats dot length. Okay, something is wrong here. Cat is an array. Oh, okay, okay. It will be size, right? Not length. Yeah, we are in arrays. Okay. It's use of undeclared identifier nums. Yeah, it will be cats, right? Now we will try to fix the code by own. Okay. After that, I will explain what is happening in the code, what is been happening on every line of the code. And yeah, when I started this stream earlier, it was recommended to me also when I opened it on my phone, like on YouTube. And my stream was being recommended to myself on the home feed, but don't know what happened to the audio in between. And eyes listen. Okay, I can create a variable and right. So how many days has passed since learned coding? Hello man, welcome to the stream. And first of all, I will tell you that I have restarted the stream today. Like I have already started the stream earlier, but due to some audio issues were coming, like my audio got turned off in between. Don't know why. And I have been come live again. Like I tried to fix it by so many possible ways, but it was not fixed. Then I was like I tried to fix it, and this is now like I have just make a makeshift for this. So and yeah, please try to understand that. Okay, right. So I will answer a question. If I tell you like about lead code, like when I started solving that DSA questions, then I started it around June, like the month of June. But if I tell you about learning coding, then I will say I started it in May, in the month of May. Thanks for joining the stream, man. If you are still here, you can tell me like if you wanna have some discussion on something. I'm ready for that. I'm just creating this variable so that we can use it everywhere. Instead of writing chars.size, it's just so much bad. Some days can be like this, right? It should be chars, right? Uh, what? Hello, man. Welcome to the stream. It's very sad to listen that. Hmm. Mm. This is nature, man. This is nature. Things like this will keep happening. Even humans, uh, what I am trying to say. Even these things happen with human also. No one is immortal on this planet Earth. Don't be sad. For this, I will have to use ChatGPT now, man. Today already the stream has been like it. My mind got messed up because of the audio issues. Yeah. Man, why I'm not giving answers of yours, like why I'm giving answers of your question in this way, because today I already started the stream earlier, but in between there were some audio issues that came, and I stopped the stream because of that and have restarted it again now after 1 hour of trying to fix the audio issue, man. And even now it has not been fixed. Just have make used a makeshift for that. And I will highly recommend to you to join the Discord server. Like if you are a person who is interested in tech, like you can share your daily progress there, like what you are doing on a daily basis. Maybe you are working on a project, or you can completed a part of it. You can share it on the Discord, or maybe you have completed a project. You can share that also. Basically, I'm trying to create a community of good people who can help each other, like grow together in a way that it helps everyone, right? And sorry, man, like you came for the first time on my stream, and like also some other people came on my stream before, but I am not answering them in a good way. Like I am not supposed to give raw answers, right? The answers should be equal. Uh, yeah, but I will try to answer your questions. Like, yeah, it's fine, man. I understand what you are saying. So thanks for understanding it. Like now, I was not supposed to use ChatGPT in it to fix the syntax issues, but okay. So, issues. Just tell me. Yeah, but you can keep talking. Do you also solve CP problem? CP. Yeah. CP is computer programming, right? Is CP any platform? Yeah. Today I was also going to start a project series where I was going to like start the project using JavaScript, but Just the things got like I can't use abusing words in between the stream, but the things got a little bit messed up, man. Yeah, but I will not stop for just these small type of errors. That's why I have came back again and started live again. Right. I'm not just only on lead code, I'm also on code chef or geek for geeks, right? Because some I at sometimes we are not able to find some problems only on lead code. So and I will not say that you should directly subscribe to the channel right now. Okay. You can consider to subscribe when you feel that okay, this guy is teaching something good or we are learning something from him. Then you can consider subscribing. Okay. But for now you all can just come into the Discord server. Okay. I will highly recommend to all of you that thing. And sorry for my English. I feel like my English is uh, becoming a little bit bad. What the issues here? Just tell me. Syntax and issues. Uh, Problem. Name is. Okay, wait. String compression. I will just copy the code and paste it into my string. Like we were learning about strings, right? Okay. There are some implementation and syntax errors. Bro, hello man, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, man. Um I will say I have not completed DSA at the right time. I'm also like learning DSA at the same time. Like I see a new topic, learn about new topic, and then after that I come onto the stream. And this is not the single source for it. Like I also use ChatGPT for learning DSA. I am not that much old in these type of things, but yeah, just a beginner like all of you, just a normal person. Oh, mm, I don't know about ratings, but I think your rating is good, right? I learned DSA from Apna College. Like I'm learning from it, but this is not the single research. Like suppose if at any point, suppose this is a problem, like ma'am is teaching, okay, in this video. So if I not understood the concept in the video by her, then I will go to another YouTuber like Striver or any other YouTuber and try to see only that particular video of any YouTuber for just that specific topic, right? Kind of lost some. Okay. Hey, Neeraj, uh, I will highly recommend you to join the Discord server because you all can share your daily progress there, like what you are doing on a daily basis. I don't usually say all of the people who came on the stream uh, like this. Like I do not promote Discord like this in this way. I usually do promote it in the last of the stream, but today I think people are coming, so I'm thinking that I should tell you about it. So in that Discord server, you can share what you are doing on a daily basis, or what projects are you working on. Like if you have completed a part of your project, you can share that. If you have completed, maybe you have completed a whole project, then you can share that also. We can review that project, or like I'm trying to create a community of good people who can help each other, like grow together in this way. And yeah, please don't subscribe to the channel right now. You can consider subscribing. only after you feel that okay, this guy is good and this guy is teaching something good and we are getting some value, or maybe we are learning something from it. I am doing the DSA pattern wise. Do you mean to say sequence wise, right? Yeah, it's a good thing. I'm also trying to follow that, but sometimes what happens? Sometimes I pick a problem in which, by mistake, I get to introduced by some, you know, other new STL containers like sets or mapping or other things. Like like these things can happen. And I mean, just please don't subscribe to the channel right now. You can just I will highly recommend all of you to join the Discord server for now. But you can also consider subscribing when you feel that this guy is teaching something good, okay? And why I'm insisting on subscribing to the channel, because when you will subscribe, when I will be live again, then you all can come again on the stream and see me solving these problems. Or maybe I like failing and debugging the code, not like this. And yeah, trying to explain the things in my own way. And thanks for understanding my situation right now, like from what I am going through, or like at the current time, because the stream is restarted, right? So I'll just fix the syntax mistake in the code. Hello, bro. Hello. Welcome to the stream. So char is a data type. Okay. Char syntax. Yeah, I was thinking about this. Should be char syntax, right? But there are some also other mistakes in the code. Okay. This I minus minus. This is correct. Okay. This. Oh, it just ran, man. I was not thinking that it will run this fast. Oh, it got accepted also. So there was just one mistake here. Like I just used char instead of chars because we were putting the values at the different indexes of the array, like the original array. After that, we resize the array in the end. And now I will try to explain what is happening in this code. All right. And yeah, sorry for the bad audio. I will fix it later, because if I show you, like if I open my NVIDIA, okay, NVIDIA broadcast, it is not being opened, like it's giving us some type of error. See, it's saying that unable to register virtual audio device. So there are some, I think, drivers or maybe some settings have been turned off for NVIDIA broadcast, or I think for the whole NVIDIA graphics. Just wait, let me check GPU. But the GPU is working, man. It should have shown the things. Okay, but yeah, it is working for the OBS Studio, not for the audio settings, right? Hello, hello. No, no, that's not the case. Like, I deleted some drivers and some updated some drivers, gone into the BIOS uh, of the laptop, and also changed other settings. But I think after doing all the updates, resetting all the audio settings, in between the NVIDIA broadcast features have been turned off. Because of that, the audio is coming in this way. You know, have you tried Photo with Pratyush or Bakua? I've listened about this guy, Pratyush, but I don't know about Babu or DSA course. Um, yeah, but I think Padlu with Pratyush is good, right? He teaches DSA C++, right? Yeah. Don't worry with the audio settings, like the audio problems will be fixed from tomorrow. Okay. Code with Harry. I have tried Sharian's coding school or Chai or Code and C++, sorry, Apna College. And like there are some other YouTubers. Like in the starting when I was in 9th class or 10th class, I used to study from Code with Harry. Like I used to study C++ with Code with Harry, you know, or he was a good guy. But for now, the I don't follow a single source for now. Like I am learning JavaScript. Today is day four of it. I was supposed to start the project. I think I will start it after this stream. Maybe another stream will happen today. And I am learning JavaScript from using Chat GPT only. And I feel that this is more like even more faster than learning it from YouTube. I will say that this can be 4 times faster than uh, what we do, like when we do learn something from the YouTube, right? Okay. So what is happening in the code? We should, yeah, yeah. I've kept it open here, like the thing you told me about JavaScript, right? I will try to find some other like websites. Like I have seen about some other websites where we can also learn about that, like the official websites. You can see like my GitHub is open. I was going to start the project after this, but okay, we have make a comeback. Okay. I don't know from where all of you guys are coming. Like even the stream is going in a bad way. Don't know from where these much people are coming on the stream. Um, it's a little bit shocking for me. Like even like today's not a good stream, I will say. Today's the stream is going in a very bad way. I don't think so. You need anything. You want, uh, okay. I don't think so. You need. Okay. For C++, right? Yeah, but the playlist I'm following is like it is good for beginners, like who are just beginners in the C++ or DSA things. Like it is a placement focused course, and it is also being updated. New videos are keep coming, and I love the pace of it, like the pace of the things in which the ma'am teaches us the topics. Oh yeah. And I was not supposed to open chat GPT also, but because of the timing, I have opened it. Just hello, man. Welcome to the stream. Uh, Seen you after a long time. Don't know to how many persons my stream is being recommended, man. Lots of lot of people is coming. Okay, so what we done in this? First, I like this is the normal variable. We can what storing the number of elements present in the character array, right? I was busy with placement. So, so how many offers you got till now? And this is the index. Like this is first. I will start telling the code what is happening in the code from this point. Okay. Then after that, this will come in between. No, no. Ma'am have told me I can also move this, but like this was told in the lecture, I can remove this also and remove this I plus plus also. But this is a like type of a thing for understanding like how we can do the I plus plus and I minus minus. Yeah, only one rejected one of. Yeah, I know about that. That it is not needed. I have used it intentionally because ma'am have also used it intentionally in the video. You know, for just for that case, I can remove it. What? Only one. So have you like got the placement now? Like, are you joining any company next year? Hmm? Okay. So we are running a for loop for this original array. Okay. We are running for loop for this original array in the character. Okay. Like character variable. We are storing the current like the first value that will appear, right? It will be a. So a will be stored in that. There is a stored in that. Oh man, how many messages? I'm looking for a better offer. Are you guys talking to each other? Um, I think you are looking for TCS Supreme, right? Okay. So first it will be A will be stored in that. Okay. Then count is 0 for now. Then we are using a while loop till I is less than nth index, right? Like the last, it will go till the last of the index of this original array. Um, do you write handwritten notes or just use it? Yeah, yeah, I also do make handwritten notes for DSA, but not on a daily basis. Like I don't get time for that, but I do it. You can say on a weekly basis when I like complete a part of any like algorithm or like get comfortable in that, then I do that. This type. Okay. I'm sorry guys, I'm again saying that the stream maybe the stream will not go in a way. Okay, so first I will just let me finish this explaining this. After that we can continue talking because after that I will just have to revisit a problem and yeah. Okay, so a is stored in character, right? In count is 0 for now, count is 0 for of a. Then we will use a while loop. This we are going and character I is equals to character. Okay, means index is equals to a. So we will check for it. Index is equals to 0 means it is pointing at a, and char is also a. So when this is true, count plus plus has happened. Then we increase the index of I. So I have now came on this point. Then after that, A have occurred for the second time. So in the count, it will be 2 will be stored in that, right? Then after that, what happened? Then the then again I plus plus happened, then we are on this third value, right? And here it is saying that this is the character B, which is different from A. If we see that this is different, right? So this condition will fail, right? Then we will be out of this while loop, and then we will check if count is equals to 1. Then in that case, we will just initialize, reinitialize the value of the very first index of the array with character, which is A. Okay, like we are replacing the A with itself. Okay, and if count of character, like if it have appeared more than one time again in a continuous manner, then the else case, in the else case, okay, the first index will be the character, like it will represent the character. If I show you here, it will represent A. Okay, it will represent A, but after that in the second index we will represent the number of, like, count of how much time it appeared of, like how much time this character appeared in the array. So for that, first we will convert the count, because it is an integer value, right, to string. After converting it into string, uh, we will use a for each loop to traverse the whole count string, because maybe the string can be is 2 here. Okay, suppose this is 2 here for this time, but maybe at any point maybe it can be 12. Then we will have to put it in this way, like A, then 1, then 2, right? Like we will use 3 indexes for that. And but for now it is 2, so this is a single value. We did that, and char index have already been increased here, so we are now on second index of the array. So we put the value as a string on the second index, right? Like this, second value. So it has become this. Then after that, okay, this is done. Then we are doing I minus minus, so that why we are doing this, we can also remove this, because I have already been, like, come on this index. Then after that, when I will plus plus again, then it will go on the next index, right? So okay, okay, wait. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, I plus plus already happened here, so I can remove this I plus plus here, and also at this point it should run now also. Okay, so because I plus plus is already happening here, so this will point at B, right? I will point at B. Then we will again be on the second index of, I will be on this, right? I will be pointing at B. Then we will char I will be now become B. Okay, then after that we will again keep checking for B's, like B have come 2 times. So index plus plus, count plus plus. So the count of B will be 2. Okay, repetition. Oh man. Oh, you are giving uh, detailed explanation of your solution in the comments, but I think my knowledge level is not at yours at this point, right? Because when I started doing programming, like, you can say I'm a completely beginner at these things, programming or take any other technical things. I think because of that, I'm not getting like what you're trying to say, but I can understand, like, okay, just wait. Okay, so B count has will be 3, will be 2. Okay, then I plus plus will again happen and we will be on C. When we will again check for it, it will false. We will be out of the while loop. I will be pointing at C. Then count is not 1. In that case, chars index plus, okay, chars index, we will put C, okay, B on the as the third value, right? Just wait when I will come on your comments, right? I'm just trying to explain like what I have understood in my own thought. Okay, so we have placed char b at this index, right? Using the index variable that we have created, pointing at the array. Okay, and this is done. Then index plus plus has happened. Then after that, we will convert the count into string and put that value into like on this index of the original array. Okay, it is then after that, okay, this is done. Then after that we will again be on like this, and I plus plus is already happened. I see, so c chars character ch is equals to chars I means it will be c now. Then we will again keep checking if it this, okay, then it will be right. Then count of c will be 3, right, because c have appeared 3 times in the array. Then after that, eventually this condition will fail, that I is less than n means we have already came on the last index, right? Then after that, count is not 1, so we don't have to just give that character, right, because it have not appeared only for one time. In that case it has appeared more than one time. Then chars index is equals to character, right, c. Then after that we convert the count of it into a string and traverse the whole string and place it on different indexes of char array. So 3 is a single value, right? As a string, it is representing as a single value. We put 3 here. Then after that, what will happen? There will be an extra C left in the original array, right? So for getting away from that, we used this function named as chars dot resize. Like, okay, we are using dot resize and did it with index. Why? Because index is pointing at what? Index is pointing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It is pointing at the fifth index, means the size of the array is 6. Okay. Even if we put 6 here instead of index, it would be the same. Because there are 6 elements in the array. Just I put index here, right? So this resize function that does resize it, and in the end we are returning index. That's the case. And its time complexity will be big of n. If I show you, yeah, now I think we are getting enough flow. Again, again. Okay, its time complexity will be big of n. See, so this problem is done. The Dragon was not that good, I think, but yeah. When we will revisit it, we will put some comments for it, because even if I like put some comments, then it will be vanished. But we will, but when we will submit the code, it will be saved there, right? So I will mark it as solved. This new problem is solved for today. And yeah, it was a medium level problem. Sorry, I was thinking of, oh, hey man, don't you think like why these things happen to you? Like I have seen this mistake like for 3 or 4 times. Hello, man. Welcome to the stream. What's your name, man? .exe. So first, new. Hello, man. Welcome to the stream. String compression, right? Straight. We are left with a good amount of time, not. But I'm missing that invisible background. I'm in second year right now. Any tips? Any tips for what? Can you explain me like what you are trying to ask about? Are you asking about DSA? If you are asking about DSA, I will tell you that I'm also a beginner, not that much expert, but maybe I can give you some advice. But for that, you will have to tell the things. Okay. So you are also a beginner or what? And okay, tell me first. Tell me. You. Oh man, can you take a guess like in which year of college I am right now? Can you take a guess? Like after seeing my face, what do you think in which year of college I am right now? Yeah. 3 or 4. Okay. Like most of the people get it wrong. Are you able to see the message? Hmm. So this is my case. Now, where gone, man? Are you there? First sem. Yeah, yeah. First sem will start in the month of August. Lol. Have you got like any type of shock or like are you surprised or is it fine for like and yeah, I'm not just learning DSA, I was also going to start JavaScript project today. You're awesome, man. Keep it up. Hey, man, I wanna suggest, recommend you, highly recommend you joining my Discord server for now. Okay, because like you can share your daily progress there, like what you are doing on a daily basis, right? And maybe you have created a part, like you're working on a part of a project. You can share that on a Discord. We can review it, right? And also if you have completed a project, you can share it. We can review it on the Discord. Like there are also other people like us on the Discord, okay, who are from different states and different year of college. Someone is preparing for interview, someone is working, someone is just a student. Okay, they are coming from different states, and like it is a. I'm trying to create a community of good people who can help each other grow together in this way, right? And I will not say that. And please don't subscribe to the channel right now. You can consider subscribing when you feel that okay, this guy's teaching something good. Okay, bye, man. Bye, bye. Okay, but I will highly recommend to you to join the Discord for now. And yeah. And subscribe only after you feel okay, this guy is genuine and this guy is teaching something good, or we are getting some value or learning something good from him. Okay, then that will be a good thing. All right. um okay, what resources? So for resources I will say that there is not a single resource which I'm following. If I show you, like I started learning DSA from this playlist when I was a beginner, but now now I use ChatGPT also for learning like some topics. Like I'm learning strings using ChatGPT. At the same time, I'm also learning strings using this lectures. But hi bro. Hello man, welcome to the stream. Welcome back. Uh, and like there were some lectures on which I like saw that lecture, but I felt that okay, ma'am was not explaining that in a good way. So what I did, I just go to ChatGPT and ask about it and try to learn concepts from it because ChatGPT does explain the things in a very good way, I think, right? Compared to online YouTube teachers or content creators, it also fastens up the speed of learning. Yeah, I'm not blindly following that. If I just one question, man, because I already get started the stream before, like this stream, but what happened before that? Like if I show you, I did already started the stream before this stream, but there were some audio issues like that have started to come, so I stopped the stream. Like you can see that I already did started the stream 1 hour ago, but don't know what the thing happened, and it just took 1 hour to fix that. And this is just a makeshift. If I show you, you can see my webcam is visible and my background is visible because of some NVIDIA settings have been turned off, I think. you know like I'm trying to open NVIDIA broadcast, but it is showing some error. I will fix it after ending today's stream. Because of that, I'm not answering the questions of you guys in this way. And now I will answer your question that like the number of problems we are seeing here is because of I was also exploring random problems on my own, not from random topics, like from big topics, but like if I was only following the lectures, then according to that, I feel that okay, till this point, I will only have been solved around 26 to 28 problems. Max to max, we can assume around 30 number of problems, but I didn't do that. And this is just not a single resource that I follow. Just this gives us a little bit of structure, like in which sequence should we learn about DSA, right? That's why I use like there's not a single resource for learning these things. Oh man. Oh, thanks for subscribing, man. Thanks for subscribing. But I will highly recommend you to join the Discord server, right? Subscribing is okay, but joining the Discord server is mandatory for like everyone who is coming. It's a very good thing. Like I think it will help you. Um, and yeah, after this stream, I will start the project, the in which I will use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And after that, the project will keep evolving with time. Okay, that will not be a single day project or a single month project. It will be a like you can say that it can be a type of a product also, not just a project. Like I've seen many people creating basic level of projects in which they just create to do app or just pipe code a SaaS website, right? Or maybe create task manager. But I don't like those type of projects. Like just people just create 10 to 15 same type of projects. Uh, those things I don't like those type of things. Oh, like just people just create 10 to 15 same type of projects. Those things I don't like. Wait. I'm just welcoming new people, new members in the Discord. Now we will start the revisit of the problem that we were going to revisit. It was isomorphic strings, and yeah, we also do have to understand about like what are maps. I understood about it a little. Like the thing we were seeing here was like this is representing the key and this is representing the value of it, right? Bro, college name. Um, my college name is Chandigarh University. Oh, add app dev channel CVC. What what does this mean? What does CVC mean? Add a app dev channel. I'm not an app developer, man. Like I'm doing taken DSA as core and also I will like start web development soon. Yeah, I think it has already been started. Just I have to create videos on web dev, right? There will be a live series for that in your Discord. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. In the global resources. So thanks for that. Thanks for telling me that. So okay, I have added it in the Discord. I will fix the positioning of the this app dev. Okay. And yeah, right now I'm just trying to understand this topic like mapping because it's a new type of container for me. So like I got to know about the logic, what is happening here. Just map was a new container for me. So because of that, yesterday we got stuck into this. And I think you guys can see me. I'm not following the roadmap today. Like today we were supposed to solve two new problems, but I'm not doing that because I'm feeling that okay, some days should be needed like a good problem instead of just rushing onto so many bunch of problems in a single day just to increase the counter of number of problems solved on LeetCode or any other coding platform. That will not benefit us, right? And I think soon I will be starting recursion. Just there are some lectures left to be completed. After that, we will be starting recursion, and I think from that point, I will be seeing GCGC. Okay, wait, I will show you. And yeah, man, I'm doing like I've taken admission Chandigarh University, but in the online mode. I'm not going in, to regular college. I have taken the course as an online mode, but the address of the main building, like where I will have to go for the convocation ceremony, is Mohali, Punjab. You know about online degrees, the concept of online degrees. Okay, same college. Oh, is that the case? Yeah, but I am doing it in an online mode, man. Are you all also doing it in an online mode? How how this can be? This can happen. Online? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right. Um, just taking that for like saving my time. Also, there were some external factors affecting the like why I choose college, like online college, online course for same but different. So you are in offline mode of it, right? Chandigarh University, like there's a branch of it near in my city, but it's very far, like from my home. It's around 40 kilometers, like 40 kilometers. If I have took admission, then I will have to travel that much distance on a daily basis. Like it would have been around 80 kilometers of travel, of commute. You know what does this mean? Do you get on campus? I don't know, but yeah, I don't know about it. But today I was like having conversation in the WhatsApp group, and there was a guy who shared something about like internship, which I think the college is providing. But yeah, but I don't think that college they can provide assistance like in creating resumes or other things. But I don't think that they will provide us with internship or any other thing. Like I think I will have to apply for internship by own or maybe apply for a job in off campus mode, right? I haven't thought about that, but yeah. But yeah, do they do mention in the like website or like other parts of it that yeah they do provide assistance in placement or some other things like that. But they haven't mentioned it in an explicit way that they should have been. I don't know why, but they should have done that. You have any distractions like games, TV shows? No, 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 man. Okay. Yeah, I used to play games like I think 1.5 5 years, 1.5 years ago. But yeah, there are some things happened with me, and I can say that after the last year, what happened? Like last year, something happened, and because of that, now I'm like this person, which you are seeing on the screen. Like last year at this month of July, in the month of July, I felt my a change in my identity, you know, in my personality. Like it was a 360-degree change in my personality or identity. Like I was literally able to see my identity dying in front of myself. Like it was around last year. And after that, I now feel more stronger compared to before. For these type of things, I think these type of things are very small. You have a cartoon group pick in your Discord. So cartoon group, grand RP. Oh man, are you guys having conversation with each other or me? Group icon. Okay. Yeah, this is just a random group icon. Like I just picked it. Like I like the pixelated, format of it. I found it on Google search, like on a random Google search, like even before creating the Discord server. Just have used that as a normal profile pic. Isn't that looking good? Oh man, this is not. Don't know how guys are able to stay on the stream. Even the stream is like this much boring at the right time. Like I'm feeling that stream is going in a boring way, but don't know why even after that you guys are staying on the stream. Okay. Oh man, if it wasn't the audio problem, then I think the stream would have gone in the much but better manner. Smiling, smiling. Uh, yeah, man. We should smile also. Mm, no, I'm just trying to convey the thing. Like I think the stream would have ended at this point, but because of this, I can't use abusing words for this problem which have occurred. Just have kept it in my mind and try to hide it. But that's okay. We done the new problem today. It was not that good, much type of a disastrous thing. Okay, so I'm just trying to understand this code at the right point. Oh man, some people are sharing something on the Discord. Today the stream is becoming more than a DSA stream to interactions stream, I think. But some days can be like this. Oh, okay. Yeah, if S index has been seen before, uh, has been appeared before while checking for this, and we are checking if this is true. right? Then we are returning false because we can't remap the same value again with another character, right? I think maybe I should not try to understand it. I should try to understand, like maybe solve a new problem that is in my feed, that is in my code. Just wait, let's try to see or pick another problem. Okay, running out of time. So we can try any problem from this. Okay, palindrome number. We can do palindrome number problem, I think, or maybe add digits. Let's see. And yeah, let me just see. Oh, favorite problems have also not been updated yet. So I think first I should update this, right? Just wait. In the favorite, it was find minimum. Okay, so from this point, I will be adding these problems into my favorite list because these problems have already been solved. Three, two, number of steps. After that, we can try to solve a new problem, or maybe the revisit of it will not go in a good manner. And in the DSA course, I think mapping will start soon. I think before the recursion it will start. ChatGPT was telling me that it will start soon in your course. Mm, Teacher. Oh, and the number of problems will be more, right? Can't we add all of these in a just 1 hour, single click? Okay, I think we should. Okay, these are new problems. This will not take that much time to be added to the list of last one. String. Okay, I think this should have been already been added before. Okay, maximum product of three numbers. Okay, it is pending to be solved, right? First unique character in a string. Not question already in a list. Okay, okay, okay. 71, right? This is 24, but it should be 76, right? Two problems are missing. We will find it and add it in after the stream. Just wait, and maybe I will solve another problem here, or maybe I will just revisit it, like which we were revisiting. Favorite. Hmm. String compression. Okay, we have done this new problem today. Okay. I think that is an error that keep coming. See, the problem have been added. So there are just two problems left to be added. We will add it later. So for now, I will try to understand what's happening in the code of this. Just we will remove these things so that the screen will look cleaner and less. This is for finding if S1 like string one character have been applied before, right? If not, in the else case, it will do the things like map it with the current value of uh, what all algorithms do you know? Oh, man. What are you trying to? What algorithms do you know? Um, if I tell about algorithms, I know like linear search or binary search till now. Like binary search was an algorithm I did got to know about, and you can see in this, I solved some greedy problems, and I love solving greedy type of problems. Even they have not been started in a good way, but I'm loving that. Or what do you think? And I also learned about Kadan algorithm or Moose algorithm. Um, yeah, and also did solve some similar problems using Kadan's algorithm. Was Kadan's right? Hmm. Like this we use in majority element or the type of problems. I did use that in some problems like checking if it's consecutive 3 or 4. The if you go and see my channel, it is not that much older. Like when I did started learning DSA, at the same time I started doing like these type of live streams. No, the background have not changed. Just the settings have been turned off because of some issues which I was telling you about. That's why. Okay, just wait. Let me just fix it a little. It's not looking that good. Mm, but the settings has already been have done its work. I will fix it later, just after the stream. Oh man, hello man, welcome to the stream. The Kada's algorithm basically used for maximum subarray and it's modified for maximum product of subarray. That's it. These problems are enough if I'm going for Kada's. What? Okay, wait. No, there was moods. Just let me tell you like what I was talking about. Mm, And welcome to the stream, man. We use we do reset the value 0. Okay. Yeah, it will be Kadans, I think. Yeah, it was Kadans. Right. It is used for maximum sub-array or maximum product of sub-array, but we can use that algorithm in other problems also. Like I have used that. I have used that for solving problems. Like if I let me show you. I think maybe this. I think this was the case. These are some easy level problems. Like you see, when like we have to tell like if there are three consecutive odd numbers appeared in the array. So for checking that we did this at any point, if the order gets break, then we reset the value to 0 and again count for odd values, right? And there are some other problems like this. Oh man, today the day is not going in a good way. And hey man, I will. Are you a college student? Are you in college? Sambit, are you here, bro? Are you on the screen? And yeah, if it have been maybe if it have been appeared before, right? It have not been appeared before, then we are doing mapping of it with T, right? Like this will be the key and this will become the pair. And sorry, this will become the key, this will become the value. And I think that, and if this second condition will also be true, then we have to return false. Else we are returning like storing the new value like this. Yes, in currently third year started uh, with DSA prep. Uh, Sambit, I will highly recommend to you to join the Discord server. Like here, you can share your daily progress, like what you are doing on a daily basis, or maybe you are working on a project at the right time. You can share that also, or maybe you have completed a project. You can share that. Like I am trying to create a community of good people who are helping, who can help each other, or like grow together in this way. You know what I'm trying to say? And yeah, I will not say that you should directly subscribe. I will not say that you subscribe to the channel right now. Okay. You can consider subscribing to the channel only after you feel that, okay, this guy is good, like this guy is genuine, or this guy is teaching something good, or we are learning something from him, right? Or maybe you are getting some value from me, then you can consider to subscribe to the channel. But for now, I will highly recommend to you to join the Discord server, right? Like there are also same type of people like us on the Discord. Some of them are in fourth year of college, some of them are in third year, or even some people are working. So yeah, we can have interactions with them, or like you can share project, you can get reviews on the project that you have created. That's why I'm recommending to you to join the Discord server instead of just subscribing to my channel. Subscribing is a secondary thing, it can be done later, right? It's not a mandatory thing. Yeah. Hey, Samit, can you guess me, like, in which year of college I'm? Like, after seeing my face, what do you think? Am I in? I'm looking like Do I look like I'm in third year of college like you, or maybe fourth year? Can you take a guess of it? Like you have to guess in which year of college I I would be, like I can be after you're seeing my face, or like the things I'm trying to do on the live stream like this. Fourth year. Okay. Now, after I tell you, uh, you will have to tell, like, have you been surprised after seeing this or not? Okay. So, mm, okay. So this is my case. Oh, man. I asked these questions like from every viewer who come on the stream for the first time, and they uh, guess the thing, but they do guess it in a wrong way, and they fail in that. Like 99% of the people fail on this part. When I ask them about, like, tell me, that's great, man. Oh, you feel that that's a great thing. And yeah, I also just do not solve lead code like problems on lead code or any other platform you take. I am also learning JavaScript, like, sorry, web development at the same time. Which college are you from? I am from Chandigarh University, but it's an online course. I'm doing it in a online mode, and yeah, I've covered in web development. If I tell you, I have covered HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Like JavaScript, just it has just started, not that much. Um, yeah, like today was day 4 of learning JavaScript, and till day 3, I have covered these much topics in JavaScript. Like it was basic JavaScript or ES6 features of the modern JavaScript, or asynchronous, or DOM. DOM was a good topic. That's great, brother. Thanks for saying that. And man, please do join the Discord server. I think it will help you also, right? It will be a good thing for you. Thanks for coming on the stream. Um, maximum product is was not you, man. Now I'm also grinding. Hello, man. Welcome to the stream. Oh, welcome back to the stream. Uh, I will be back in a second. Okay, I will be just back in 2 minutes. Going for my washroom break. Just wait. Till then, you all can just like send the messages, like what you want to say. Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm back. Now I think I can talk in a good way. Now, hello, 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 chat. Review time, review time. Okay. Yeah, I think I should just mark it as revisited a little bit for today. Yeah, but I will come back again on this problem when when the maps chapter will start. Okay. Have you shared something? And yeah, this was not a type of a review. Okay. Now just wait, just wait. Just let me mark it as revisited here in the stream. Then after that, we will start the revisit that you are talking about. Sorry, the review. Okay. And its time complexity will be off. And just wait, just wait. First problem. I think, man, you are grinding, right? You are going in a hard way. Why you share things in the DM section, man? Like if you share the projects in the general section, then I will be able to like increase your level based on your contributions. Indigo. Oh, the video quality is very. So it's a website about rings, right? Are these stock images? Like I haven't seen these much high quality images in the when I go to stock images website. Oh, this website is, I will say, like the websites, the projects that you have shared before. This, you know, which I like rated before. Have a review of it. Like the second one in which the thing like asteroid was going, it was like it is the same level like that. You know. Oh, pulse, pulse, skate pulse. Okay, these are the rings. that. Yeah, but UI is very hard code. The UI looks very great, and the way you have used the fonts are very top class, top notch, right? Like the how it affects when we have specific things like this. Oh, it's how the audio is coming, man. 10 out of yeah, I think it can be a 10 out of 10 project, right? Just hey, can you turn off this effect maybe? Maybe if this effect, like if you can see, maybe if you turn off this project, then I think this will be like a perfect project. Like if it was my project, then I will mark it as perfect, right? For now. And if you feel that some things need to be changed, then yeah, I was talking about the mouse effect, like what it's called, like this mouse effect, like the maybe this some people can find it a little bit. Oh, the website is very fast. Oh, okay, this is very good. Um, like I think people will keep clicking even if they don't want to go on any other tab, right? The effect it is like giving after clicking on any of the tab, it's very good. The contact page. Let's talk shop. Okay. Okay, it will open Outlook. Don't shop online. Etsy.com. Oh, Indigo. Are these real products like which we can purchase? Hmm. Yeah, I was talking about the mouse effect. Um, I think you should share all your projects like the new projects that you create in the Discord so that other people will also be able to view those projects and okay, you have already shared it. So you have already shared. Wait, yeah. Okay. Hey man, are you like creating websites for businesses or like these are just your own personal projects? You're in college, right? And aren't you like working on any like on any major project like only a single project which you are trying to make like which you have been working on from a very long time? Okay. So what you think like why you are creating so many projects instead of just like maybe you can focus on two or three major projects, right? Like because when you will put the projects in your resume, then there can be like I have seen that max to max two or 3 projects are allowed. Like it looks good if you add not more than 3 projects in the for free. Okay, for freelancing. Hmm. And there was a topic I was going to touch that, for freelancing, like for this, the type of websites that you are trying to create, don't you think that, like, suppose there will be a condition when there is a person with low bandwidth, or maybe he don't have that much amount of data left in his mobile, or maybe he is using limited internet, then what do you think that if he opens the website, then don't you think that the website will eat up his internet, like, because these things are like going on, these animations will eat up internet, or the or these videos that are like being played, like these are some high quality videos, right? Like people with limited amount of internet, how they will be able to access that, and how people with internet, whose internet is not that much good, like internet connections is not good, and the websites just keep loading. Have you think about that, like how much data these things are taking? Have you think about it? Total 4. Okay. So you keep working on these 4 projects, right? And yeah, this was a very great project. Have you got my point? Like what I'm trying to explain here is, because I was also like you before, like I also thought about, like you, like, okay, there should be so many animations in the website, or maybe these high quality videos, or some what we name it, resources in the website, right? But then I got to know about something that is called, okay, when people with less bandwidth or of internet, or maybe their internet connection is weak, then what they will do, like how they will be able to access the website in that case, right? Have you think about that? Like so that the website can be made accessible for people who who are with low bandwidth of internet, or maybe their internet connection is not that much stronger, or maybe they are left with less amount of data, maybe they are left only with 100 MBs of data, or maybe less than that. But this is the project, you can add it in your freelancing profile, or maybe if you want to showcase it, right? So these are major projects for the freelancing, right? I think these type of websites are premium, and since most people visit them from a laptop or PC, then okay, yeah. And for freelancing, I think if we talk about India, there will be not so many people coming from India, right? Maybe there they will, most of them will be foreign guys, right? And yeah, they also want cheap labor. And what you learn, what you then, what what are you trying to say? Um, yeah, but the things, this project and the very first, the the project in which the asteroids are coming and going were, and this project was very great, man. I think you have put a lot of effort into creating these projects. I think they, these projects would have taken a good amount of time for you, right? I think that maybe it can work, but uh, I think this is an important point for you, right? Maybe you should have a discussion with chatbots on this, or maybe some experienced developers, or maybe who are in freelance from a very long time. Maybe you can go onto LinkedIn or like get in contact with some experienced freelancers, right? Try to get in contact with them and ask about these things because I think it can be a problem, but the projects are not bad, right? You created great projects. Maybe there can be some changes be needed, and you can do that. Maybe you turn off this video instead of playing this video in the background. Maybe you can use any static background or maybe any animation based background. But yeah, you can figure that out, right? A website like this usually costs around, okay, and and you feel that you are able to create this type of websites, right? So yeah, we can try that, right? Just you have to put this on your, like you have to showcase on your profile and tell the people like I am able to do just this. We can have an experiment on this, right? And if that not works, then you can try adjusting the things, right? But the products are great, man. It shows that hardcore effort have been put in the projects. Uh, it would have taken while creating this. Aman. Okay. Oh, people are giving update on a daily basis. Thanks. Why you have named me like this? Okay. Hmm. We are not kids anymore. We are not kids anymore. We don't. Not, it's been a long day without you, my friend. Never tell you all about it. Yeah, I was thinking to maybe we can pick. So you will just like focus on the front end of the websites, right? Like you will focus on the front end part of the websites. And yeah, there was also another thing like when businesses will like contact with you, like how you will explain about the things like the SEO or now like how the website will rank on online on any search engine. Have you have a thought about that? Like why a business would come to you to like create a website, like have their website created by you? Yeah, only front end. Were you were you in social media marketing agency before? It just a little bit. It feels like that. Hmm. Oh, I think it you have put more than six, maybe more than 6 months of time to create these type of projects, right? Or maybe more than that. Do you know about this concept, like social media marketing agency? This was popular, I think, around 2023 or, but now it is. There are so many people in this field. Yeah, and this is something related to you. I was also into these type of things, but have left it after like few months because of some issues. Sure. That, weird one, man. So do you want to say something or should I end the stream now? Because I was thinking to start another stream, but I think today I should wrap up this stream and yeah, just try to fix the audio issues and these webcam issues because webcam is not looking that much. Yeah. Number of functions. Yeah, digits. Okay. Given an integer number, repeatedly add all its digits until the result has only one digit. Okay. Math simulation number theory. Input 300. First we get 8 divided by, okay. So when its length will be equals to 1, right? Then we can do this. Maybe num dot size, but it is used for arrays, right? Creative sites often get slow because of heavy animations, and Google penalizes slow websites. So I built for a design, but optimized for speed. I compressed heavy assets using semantic HTML. Search bots can easily read the page and handle technical issues like schema, markup, and meta tags. That way, the site looks premium without sacrificing search ranking. Okay, and I think these type of websites will create like these type of websites are for premium people, right? Like not common people will visit it. There will be a like it will target a niche, right? A niche of people, like a people with a certain standard, right? They will come onto these type of websites. Like not every people will go onto websites like Swarovski or any other websites to buy jewelries, right? So is there any group, or you will be like starting freelancing on your own, like as a single person? I think you will be a single person, right? So a lot of foreigners visits. Yeah. Single. So why are you like taking a break for now? Like why aren't you starting like creating your profile on freelancer websites or like showcase your projects? Have you already completed those things? Putting your projects online or like or just finishing up the things in the projects? Uh, and I found it to level you up, not now. So when you will do that, man? Like when you are starting to do that, are you waiting for some project to get finished? Mostly incomplete. So you will add like all of your four projects together, right? But I think this project or the project, like the project with asteroids, is somewhat completed, right? Just just that project which you have shown me before, in which I gave you a little bit low rating because of those font styles, right? Or maybe how the fonts were appearing on the screen. Okay, you are on level 5. Okay, yeah, you should be on level 5 because you have already have interaction with other people on the complete. Okay, so I think by the end of this month, you will be you will have created your profiles on those websites, right? Mm. Hey Sam. Mhm. Okay. Hello, Murphy. Welcome. I do usually not reply on like Discord like this in the live, but yeah, we have some free time, so I can community. Oh, no. Okay, not should be fine. Right? Okay. You wanna say something, or should I end the stream for now? Because I was thinking to end the stream. Um, Yeah, for the stream, I will plan to start the JavaScript project maybe today, or maybe I'll start it today, or maybe after that. Yeah, I will delete this. I will delete this because it's just an extra video. The stream which got disturbed in between, right? Good night, man. Good night, man. Just go and keep updating your projects. I think soon you will be live on those freelancer websites. Hmm. But your projects are not average. Your projects are on another level, right? Like you already told me that there are not so many videos on this topic, like on this topic, right? So that shows that okay, not so many people from India are in these type of things, right? Or maybe if some people are there, I think they are not in freelancing, or maybe they are not like just it filters out on every level, right? Okay, so I think it's enough for today. Today, a lot of people joined the stream, right? And I was supposed to solve two new problems, but why I did one problem, because I think that like the topic is should go in a slow way, because in every in every of the new problem we are getting to know about new we are getting to know about new topics, right? Like new concepts used in these problems. Because of that, I am doing this, not just going in a way, right? Like hurrying, not in a hurry way. And because of that, I did this today. Like the roadmap is flexible, like what I told you about, right? Like on some days we did extra problems instead of just following the roadmap. And there can be some days where we will solve only one problem, even if it was supposed to be two problems, right? But we will solve daily one problem, right? That is the case. But today it will be one problem. And yeah, I think I should. Today it's been a good time. Okay, so from tomorrow we will start JavaScript project. I will also now go and see what will be the structure of the HTML file or the CSS first. Like I have in my mind, like what will be the structure of the. Okay, wait. Let me show you a little bit. Like how will be the folder structure, or like what will be the files present in the. Just wait. Let me. I have taken a screenshot of it. Hmm, because it's necessary to show the things so that it can be documented, right? Just let me see if it's visible or not. You can see. Okay, wait. Don't know it's visible or not, but it's in WhatsApp at the right time, right? Yeah, this will be the structures of the, like it will be the version 0.1 of it. Like it will keep improving with time, right? There will be backend in it, there will be front end in it added with time. Um, yeah, but it will be different from those daily type of projects that people make create on a daily basis, right? Like that has already been created on a mass level. Like I think that project will help solve real problems, right? Which I also face. Okay. So what we did in today's team, if I summarize, we did solve one new problem. It was string compression. We did that. Its sign complexity was big off, and after that we revisited this problem, not in a good way, just in a little way and verbal way. right? And its time complexity was equals to big of n. So this was today's stream update. And why we didn't do that in a detailed way, because today the stream got disrupted in between because of some audio issues. Like, I think the computers, the laptops audio stack got crashed in between, and because of that a lot of problems started to come. Like, even when I started to play any video, it was playing, but the audio was not coming from my laptop, not just for the microphone, right? And yeah, I was just thinking something left to be told. Okay, this things have been already been told. So yeah. So till then, what you all have to do is you all have to just keep learning new things and keep grinding, man. Okay, just go and start grinding and stay hard. Okay, just go and keep grinding.